Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Engineering Clinic. This is Dr. Pradeepkumar, and today we are going to see how to install NS3.31 in Ubuntu 20.04 64-bit operating system. So there are so many questions and so many comments and even some personal messages also asking for there was some issue in NS3.31, particularly for Ubuntu 20.04 OS. Please help us in solving this error. So because of those users, I am just recording this video and then give it to you. So in case of generalized NS3 installation, you can use my other video as well. So first thing is now since Python, they are just stopping Python 2 version is being stopped. You can still use it, but you need to go for Python 3. So wherever you come across Python you just replace it to Python 3. So first time when assuming that you have a fresh installation of Ubuntu, OS. So first what I do is always you do this sudo apt update. So this is the first one you have to always do. After you do that, you do these packages sudo apt install build essential. So whatever softwares that are needed for the building any applications, those things are included. Auto configuration, automake, then libxmu-dev. So this is for library, the X libraries. So any GUI, graphical performance or anything, so those things, the development libraries will be coming along with this. So please see that these two lines is mandatory for doing anything. So first you install this, then afterwards I have some list of packages. Install all the packages. So just copy paste. I have given the description link. Just copy paste this. So let me go to my window. So what I am going to do, so I just already pasted it here. Maybe I'll clear the screen. You can see, so wireshark. Yeah, so now totally it will be needing 92 MB, totally 442 MB of additional disk space. Put yes and click yes. So it will be taking time according to an internet speed, because I am just downloading directly from the internet. The packages are downloaded. So actually I am working on a virtual machine which is inside my MacBook Pro. I am just using a MacBook Pro. So inside that we have a virtual machine. So you can see this here. And Wireshark, do you want to use non-super users to able to capture packets? So in that case, click it yes. So now installation is going on. So I have already downloaded. In the meantime, I have downloaded the NS3 software. So home downloads, I already have this NS3 3.31.bz2. So what you do is just copy this and paste it to home. Paste it to home. In case of if you want to unzip this, just click it, right click and extract here. There is an option called as extract here. Please see this. So click this. So once you do this, automatically you can see there's an extraction is going on, preparing to extract. So either you can use through terminal mode or you can use through graphical mode. So if you are comfortable in graphics, you can use graphical mode. So extracting this thing is done. Yes, so extraction is done because there is a tick mark included. It's done. So now this is a folder that what we got, NS3.31 and NS3.31. So this is where the entire build libraries will be there. So now in this case, now this also get installed. So we have installed all the softwares. Maybe try one more time. So it's everything is installed. Okay, so now I will go to NS all-in-one 3.31. So here only I am going to install this. So we have a file called as build.py. So in this we are going to do something like this. I'll just write it down. So next command is extract to home folder. So in my case the home folder is home Pradeepkumar. So in your case, find out what is the name of the home folder. In case to find out, you can use echo $home. So what is the home, it will be showing you. I will just show you that echo $home. So this is my home. So similarly in your case also it will be telling you what is your home folder. Okay, so now I'll be going and installing this. So cd ns hyphen all-in-one hyphen 3.31 slash then dot build.py slash enable hyphen examples enable hyphen tests. So this is the command that we'll be using it. I'll show you that. Build.py enable hyphen examples enable hyphen tests. So NS 3.31 is recently launched. Similarly, Ubuntu 20.04 also recently 6 months back it launched. So both have the perfect compatibility of all the prerequisite libraries like C, C++, and Python, all other softwares. So let us use that also, and let's see if it installs successfully. So it will take some amount of time, so we'll wait. Yes, I think now it will be coming. Yes, now you can see totally there are 2841 packages need to be installed. So sometime the installation will take 10 minutes, sometime it takes 20 minutes according to the number of packages. So now see that the packages are very slowly moving. So what I do is I'll just stop the video here. After the installation successful, I'll switch on. In case if I get any errors also, I'll switch on this video. Hi friends, welcome back. So now we have installed this 2852 packages totally. Out of all packages we have installed. So now these are the modules built. So we got this message like this, and these are the modules that were built, and non-built modules are Bright, Click, MPI, Visualizer and OpenFlow. So these 5 modules are not been built. So Visualizer is the inbuilt animation, comes along with the NS3, OpenFlow for software defined networking, and this is a Click modular router, MPI multi-programming, multiprocessor, and Bright. It's a kind of a external software. So based on these software we are going to do some so many examples we will be doing it, and this is how the way we can install NS3. The folder NS3.31, the command here is waf run hello simulator, hello hyphen simulator. So once you run this, you should not get any error, and here we got the hello simulator. So it will be displaying hello simulator. So this is a basic example that we can think of. But in case if you want to go with more examples, cd examples tutorial, and can have an example as first.cc, second.cc, like that. So copy the first.cc, or else you can directly run it. waf run first. So no dot extension, simply use first. So when you write first here, so we have seen this example. If you want to know more about this example, you can just refer to my other video on explaining first.cc example. So you can able to check it, or just click it in the top. So this is how the way we can install NS3. So I have done a fresh installation of Ubuntu 20.04. I have not installed any other software earlier. It's a fresh installation. So this is a method to install NS 3.31 on a fresh installation of Ubuntu 20.04. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe to my channel and please share it to your friends also. Thank you very much.